Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. This two-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.0-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 167,000 miles on the odometer. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, stability control, traction control, and tow hooks. CarZone 18690 Van Buren Boulevard, Riverside, California 92508. In Woodcrest, across from El Pollo Loco. Sales direct 951-790-0805. Text CarZone a deal to 474747 for special internet offers.